All right, next up in our creating assignments adventure is now to create from existing pieces of grading. And also I just want to note the fact that that last quiz that I had started that I never assigned, if I hit save, look, it saves it right there in the drafts. You can always save them and work on them later. Now I'm going to go to create, and now I'm going to choose from existing. Ta-da! So now it's saying, well, what class do you want to use it from? So let's take it from, I can use my same class, but maybe I want to use a different class that I have assigned something to maybe a couple days earlier or last year or something like that. I can click on the team, click next, and now it'll allow me to search the assignments, and let's do this word association one. Actually, let's do a presentation here. Click on next. And so now what it does is it adds everything that I already did. So all the title, all of the instructions, all of the resources, and I can click on it and it'll actually show me or open up the resource. So this is actually straight into a OneNote, which we'll talk about later. But you can also see that this is available to remove and open to see the resources. You can even add an existing one. So if I need to add one of those other things that we talked about, like a new file or something like that, or even an additional link. And that's it. If I don't like it, I can just hit discard, and it discards that assignment from that team, not overall. And I can go back again, create from existing, and this time I'm going to choose the word association one. So you can see it could be a little bit different. So this is an assignment too. So you can tell it basically works the same way, and then I can click on assign and it assigns the work. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I have 3 things that I've assigned from scratch, and then this one was something I'd already used. And notice it's already here in that general channel again. So that's why a lot of times we ask you to do different channels, is because that way, because when it's posted by default it's general channel. You can switch it. Anyhow, all right. So that's how you use existing assignments.